Imagine learning English every single moment of your day, even while you sleep. What if I told you that's not just a dream, it's possible? Your brain is incredible. It never stops learning. When you listen to English, whether you're awake, relaxing, or even sleeping, your mind is absorbing patterns, sounds, and rhythms of the language. Think about it. 8 hours of sleep every night. That's 56 hours a week. Imagine if your brain was quietly learning English during that time. While others sleep in silence, you are building your English foundation. Science shows that listening during sleep can strengthen memory, improve pronunciation, and help your brain recognize English naturally. You won't wake up fluent overnight, but day by day, night by night, you'll notice the difference. Here at English Listening Hub, we've created content specifically designed for passive learning. Clear voices, simple vocabulary, gentle repetition. Perfect for listening anytime, even when you sleep. Whether you're an absolute beginner or advancing your skills, we have lessons for every moment. Morning lessons to start your day, active lessons for focused study, relaxing lessons for your evening, sleep lessons for overnight learning. While the world sleeps, you're learning. While others rest, you're growing. This is your time. This is your moment. Welcome to English Listening Hub, where learning never stops.